everyone. We're happy to announce our new YouTube channel, and we're going to present some English that will be helpful for some of you that are learning the English language. And so we're going to put some useful phrases. That's going to be our first study today. And I was inspired to do this because my wife is an immigrant. She's from a country called Kyrgyzstan, which is real close to Russia. If any of you know, it's in between China and Russia. And she motivated me because she has a couple sites on YouTube as well. And she's always telling me that I am very good with explaining English to her. And so she motivated me to put a little channel here together and give you some phrases that are useful in your developing your English, and the different idioms and different sayings that we have in America that you might find useful. So let's begin our first study with useful phrases. And the first one is going to be the word called boatload. And we've got three examples of that word. The first one is, I went to the store and bought a boatload of groceries. And the second one is, she owes me a boatload of money. And the third one is, my little girl came home from school with a boatload of homework. So we can see that boatload is a word for meaning much or many. It's a term that shows quite a lot of something. And as you can see in these three examples, it's emphasizing quite a overwhelming amount of stuff. So you can use boatload in that term when you're deciding to say something that means I have quite a lot of, or I got a lot of something in this way. The second one is a term called a real quack. My mother went to this new doctor, and he sounds like a real quack. Ron talks a lot, and people think he's a real quack. My new chiropractor is good, but my last was a real quack. So in this term, real quack, it means something like somebody that's real incompetent, somebody that doesn't really know what they're doing. They're practicing whatever trade they have, but they're doing it in an inferior way, and they're not very good at it. So this is the term a real quack. And a lot of times you'll find that term is used in the medical or the healing professions. A lot of times that has been used for these people that proclaim to be great, and they have these healings and everything, and come to find out they're not really what they're hyped up to be. And so they're termed a real quack. And so that's useful in this way. The next one is monkeying around. We went over to some friend's house, and they were all monkeying around. John, please stop monkeying around. Bill gave a great presentation, but after it was done, he started monkeying around. So monkeying around is a term that means kind of just joking around, playing around, not being serious. And so a lot of times you'll see you want to be serious with somebody and they keep joking. And so you can use that term, hey, John, or hey, Bill, or hey, Mary, quit monkeying around. And that's where that term comes in. And the next one is cracks me up. I have been friends with Jim for a long time, and he still cracks me up. You crack me up, and now I got a stomach ache. Every time he tells a joke, he cracks me up. So, cracks me up is just basically somebody that has the ability to make you laugh. And when we say laugh, we mean really laugh, not just a little chuckle, but a real big laugh. So, that is how cracks me up usually is applied. So, we hope you've enjoyed this first small lesson. This is just a beginning lesson, and we're going to have some more as we go on. So, tell your friends about us, and we'll keep putting out new videos to give you these useful phrases and idioms and different things that you can use in your English to enhance your English. So we thank you again, and till next time, take care.